Good morning, dear students. Welcome you all to my next lecture on the topic types of resources. In our previous class, we discussed about resources, types of resources, natural resources, and its classification. Now, we will start the same lesson. The topic types of resources, renewable resources and non-renewable resources. On the basis of continuous supply, resources may be classified as renewable and non-renewable resources. What is renewable resources? The resource that can be used repeatedly and does not run out is called renewable resource. These resources take a short period of time to refill. Water, wind, solar energy are the best example of renewable resources. Dear students, some of these resources are always available and do not get affected by human activities. Generation of hydroelectricity does not exhaust the water supply. Thus, water is a non-exhaustible resource. Similarly, wind and sunlight are inexhaustible resources. Now we move forward to discuss about the non-renewable resources. What is non-renewable resources? The resource that can be used once and cannot be replenished is called non-renewable resource. After use, these resources they either get exhausted or become unfit for use again. They are called non-renewable because there is a limit to their availability. They are also known as non-replenishable or exhaustible resources because they cannot be renewed as they get totally exhausted. These resources take a long time to be replenished. Minerals like coal, petroleum, etc. are non-renewable resources because they get exhausted immediately after use. Now we will discuss about the biotic resource and abiotic resource. What is biotic resource? Biotic resources are derived from the biosphere, living things, forest and their products are the example of biotic resources. Animals are a very important and useful biotic resources. Although biotic resources are capable of regenerating themselves over a period of time, they continue to reproduce and increase in number. Some substances like coal, petroleum, etc. are also known as biotic or organic resources because they have been formed from flora and fauna. Abiotic resource. All the non-living resources are called abiotic resources like rocks, minerals, water, air, etc. Abiotic resources are obtained from non-living things. Land, water, minerals are abiotic resources. They are generally found within the earth crust. They are normally non-renewable. Minerals like manganese, cobalt, copper, etc. are continuously being formed in nodules in the ocean floor, but they take a much longer period of time, more than the life of man. to be renewed. Some abiotic resources like air, water, land, etc. are also renewable. They are present in abundance in nature. Fossil fuels such as coal, minerals, oil, and natural gas get exhausted forever once consumed. Thus, they are called non-recyclable. This is all about the biotic and abiotic resources. Today's class is over. Thank you, my dear students.